Hello guys, welcome back, welcome to my vlog. Hope you all enjoyed the videos that I posted before, and as I said earlier, I'm going to start explaining to you guys how we break down the pallet. So I've before started breaking down this pallet. This is a Euro pallet, and I'll be showing you guys how it's done. So mainly guys, what I use, two sorts of hammer, the 2 kg and a small hammer, and a pincher, and this little tool that I use sometimes for the nails. Okay, what I do, my way of doing it, everybody has a different technique. This is the one I found most suiting, is I hit with the hammer, with the 2 kg hammer, the edges here where you see the squares, cubic squares. To get these 3 pieces out first, separate them from the front side without breaking the wood, and that's the most challenging part, guys. So you need to hit this side. Okay, it's how you hit, where you hit, and how hard you hit. So let me start demonstrating it for you guys. One here, one here, one here. Okay, a bit more stronger. And here goes. So, as you see, the wood is intact. That's the most important thing. Now, if you break a cube or two, it doesn't really matter. Got a lot of those, but this is what I need the most. So, I'm gonna ask my friend Joseph, who's filming me tonight actually, to show you guys what we do with the 9cm nails that are here. So this is what I'm using. Please do not use your hand, because if you get pinched by a nail, it's all rusty, got all sorts of germs, so it's not a very hygiene thing to do, guys. So please be careful. Use all safety measurements, gloves, safety boots. I'm gonna take this one out. Yep. Straighten up the nails, and after that, with the small hammer, we start taking the 9cm nails out. One by one, piece by piece, nail by nail. So guys, there's always a 4th nail which you don't see here. Sometimes it's larger and it's got a bent head, so you need to unbend the head first, because if you don't and you take out this piece of wood, it will break. Well, there's a very high possibility that it will. In this case, trust me, it's there. It's just not bent. Lucky me. So you see, the wood is out. Clean, intact, and there's your 4th nail, guys. 4th nail, 4th nail. Okay, so the thing goes on, and if you want to use that wood which has the cubes, I use the same method what I do with the 2 kg hammer, unless you really need it. I mean, sometimes you can use the design without taking these cubes out, but anyways, same way, you hit it angular way, you put your leg down to support it. Okay, hold it properly, and just hit it this way. Sometimes it's not as easy as it may look, so you have to hit hard, and eventually it'll go out. Wood is still okay. After that, we pass the wood through the machine, clean the surface, burn it, tint it, as you will see in other videos, and then you'll see how we cut it, assemble it to get whatever work that we're doing. I got some samples outside which are still work ongoing, so you get something like that. This was before we started burning and tinting, before assembly. This is the work ongoing, guys. Some stools, a sitting bench with a twist, a design. And anyways, I'm gonna be showing you stuff which are completely done, and that would be in the very end. It's the big surprise, guys. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Don't forget, tune up, follow up, subscribe, push the notification button to see more videos. Cheers, y'all. Have all a very good night, guys.